Today, I am reviewing Dell Inspiron 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a laptop that perfectly balances performance, portability, and style, the Dell Inspiron 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop is an excellent choice for students, home users, and business professionals alike. Let's dive into everything that makes this laptop stand out. Starting with performance, this Dell Inspiron is powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i5-1330 processor. This is a 10-core, 12-thread powerhouse with a base P-core speed of 1.3 GHz and turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz, along with E-cores running at 0.9 to 3.4 GHz. What does this mean for you? Well, whether you're multitasking with multiple browser tabs, running productivity software, video conferencing, or handling spreadsheets, this laptop does it all without lag or slowdown. In fact, the performance even beats some i7 laptops from the previous generation, making it a very strong contender for anyone who needs speed and efficiency. Next, let's talk about memory and storage. The Inspiron comes with 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and blazing fast boot-up times. Launching applications, opening files, or switching between tasks happen seamlessly, and the PCIe SSD is much faster than standard SATA drives, which is especially useful if you're a student or professional dealing with large documents, media files, or software. The display is another area where this laptop shines. Featuring a 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen with 1920 by 1080 resolution, it's perfect for watching videos, working on documents, or browsing the web. The anti-glare LED backlight reduces reflections, while the WVA narrow border display gives you vibrant colors and sharp visuals from multiple angles. The touchscreen adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to interact with your applications naturally, making it great for presentations or note-taking. For graphics, the Dell Inspiron uses Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics, which is more than capable of handling multimedia tasks, casual gaming, and creative projects. Pair this with Waves MaxxAudio Pro speakers, and you have clear, immersive audio whether you're watching movies, attending virtual meetings, or enjoying music. Connectivity is well thought out as well. You get Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and a full range of ports, including USB Type-A and Type-C, HDMI, a headset jack, and an SD card reader. Plus, Dell includes an 8-in-1 Type-C hub, which adds 4K HDMI, multiple USB ports, and SD/microSD slots, ensuring you can connect all your devices effortlessly. The laptop runs Windows 11 Pro in S mode, offering security and performance enhancements out of the box. For professionals, students, or home users, this ensures a smooth and reliable computing experience. Other thoughtful features include a full-size keyboard with numeric keypad, a built-in 720p HD webcam, and stereo speakers, making this a complete package for work, study, or entertainment. Finally, the design is sleek and portable. With a carbon black finish, the laptop is slim, lightweight at just 3.66 pounds, and easy to carry around. The lift hinge design provides an ergonomic typing angle, making long typing sessions comfortable, and the anti-glare display protects your eyes during extended use. In conclusion, the Dell Inspiron 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop is an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliable performance, vibrant visuals, solid build quality, and great connectivity. Whether you're a student, home user, or professional, this laptop covers all the essentials and then some, making it one of the best laptops in its class in 2025.